Flashback.
Napalaman tayo ng English dito ah.
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
You are Jacob? Yes. You speak Tagalog? Oh. Oh. Napalaman tayo ng English dito ah. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Let's go. You are Jacob, sir? You are Jacob? Yes. You speak Tagalog? Oh. Konti. Oh, malaman tayo ng English dito.
Kaya kayo, tandaan ninyo ang kasabihan. Stop, look, and listen.
Are you a civil,
Huwag yung intindihin ito, Pilipit ang dila nito.
high school student, sir? High school student? High school student? Okay. Are you a pure Filipino, sir? Pure Filipino? Oh. You look like Korean. You look like Korean.
Dito, konti na lang yung bago ko English ngayong araw na to. Nagkamit ko pa lahat kay sir. Anteteng talaga. Pero, si sir, family oriented. Kaya saludo ako sa parents niya.
Itrap lang. Where, sir? Here? Here. This way. Where, sir? Right there.
Ma'am, galing mo pala dyan ah. Hindi ko alam.
Hi, sir. Oh, sir.
Thank you po.
Thank you din, sir.
Ayun naman po po.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bayad ko na.
Ay, yeah, it's okay. Thank you, thank you. Oh,
Teka po. Baxter, come on.
oh, galing mo ah. Ito yung asa mo, sir ah.